Today we are making a very unique dessert from Himachal. It's from a small region called Kullu. It's a kheer, but it's also not a kheer. And of course, it has a sherry take. So let's get started. Now the first thing is we'll add water. I'm also adding 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now this recipe is made with whole wheat, but like I said, every recipe has a sherry take, and here I'm using Ragi flour, which is around 500 grams. You can reduce or increase the quantity accordingly. Now this is a very integral step because we don't want the lumps to be made in the hot water. So please start adding the flour gradually. The dough is ready now and we let it cool down for some time. I'm going to cover this for say another 2 minutes. We will be stuffing the dumplings with a unique stuffing. So let's get started. I'm going to take some fresh grated coconut, 75 grams of jaggery powder. You can adjust that according to your taste. Some raisins, which is again optional, and of course the fennel seeds. Now we'll give a gentle mix and our stuffing is ready. Let's check if the dough is ready and it's perfectly done. I'm going to rub some ghee in my hands and start making the dumplings, or as we call giche. So that's how giche will look like. We are adding around 750 ml of milk, around 200 grams of sugar. You can also use any other form of sweetness. Keep stirring, and we are going to reduce it till it becomes 400 to 500 ml. Now I'm going to add some cardamom powder. What is an Indian dessert without cardamom? Now let the milk cook for some time. It's the time to add the beautiful looking giche. As you can see, the giche has come on top while cooking for say about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that's the sign when we just need to switch off the gas. Finally, our giche is ready. Do let us know in comments how you find this dessert. And don't forget to watch the Indian Food Diaries on Get Curried with Chef Sherie. Signing off for now.